Most people just accept those thin, scratchy sounds coming from their flat-screen TVs as a fact of life. But then you encounter something like the LG Sound Suite, and your perspective shifts instantly. It hits the floor with a heavy thud that tells you it wasn't made of recycled soda bottles or flimsy plastic. This thing is tall. It has these dual subwoofers that look ready to rattle your window frames. LG didn't just make a soundbar here. They built a visual and sonic centerpiece for the entire room. The metal grille feels substantial and cool under your hand. It's incredibly refreshing because so much gear today feels like a cheap toy that might snap if you look at it wrong. You don't need a weekend and a stack of manuals to get it running either. You just plug in the power and run a single cable to your TV. That's it. No firmware updates that hang at 99%. No digging through endless menus while your popcorn gets cold. It just works. When you finally hit play on an action flick, the bass doesn't just rumble. It hits you right in the chest. It's a physical sensation that cheap systems can only dream of. Usually, when the bass is that loud, you lose the voices. Everything becomes a muddy mess. But here, the dialogue stays surprisingly crisp. You can actually hear what the hero is whispering before the building explodes. The mids and highs have this clarity that makes you realize how much of your favorite movies you've been missing. Now, we have to talk about those lights. They turn your living room into a concert or a rave depending on your mood. They pulse and flash with the beat. It's fun for a little while. After that, your guests might start wondering why your TV setup is trying to start a nightclub in the middle of a Tuesday. If you're a serious audio professional looking for a flat studio response, you'll probably find things to complain about. The sound profile is definitely tuned for excitement rather than clinical accuracy. It's punchy. It's loud. It's designed to make you feel like you're in the middle of a stadium. The remote is a bit of a letdown compared to the heavy build of the speakers. It feels a little plastic and light. Navigating the different modes can feel a bit sluggish sometimes. But once you find that sweet spot, you rarely touch it anyway. It handles everything from heavy metal to acoustic podcasts with a level of grace I didn't expect. You can hop from a movie to a Bluetooth playlist on your phone in seconds. It bridges that gap between a dedicated home theater and a casual party speaker. It's not trying to be the most expensive system on the planet. It's trying to be the one you actually use every single day without a headache. If you want your neighbors to know exactly which movie you chose for Friday night, this is your weapon of choice. It transforms a basic living room into a space that feels alive. You can feel the vibration in the floorboards when a dragon roars or a car chase begins. That's the kind of immersion you pay for. It makes your old movies feel new again, because you are hearing layers of sound that your TV speakers simply ignored. It's a massive upgrade that proves you don't need a degree in engineering to get high-quality audio at home. You just need something built with a bit of heart and a lot of power. You get that satisfying weight when you lift it. You get that punch in the gut when the music drops. It makes your living room feel like a destination instead of just a place where the couch is. That is the real value here.